Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be fine and welcome to YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on parts of speech. What is parts of speech? How its definition can be taken as parts of speech is of English language. Part means piece or portion. Meanwhile, the word speech means conversation. And it actually means these different kinds of words which are used for writing and speaking, and such kinds of words are called parts of speech. Well, there are 8 parts of speech. We have 8 parts of speech. Their names are noun, pronoun, adjective. In adjective, the D is silent, so it is called adjective. Verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So now let us discuss it one by one. The first one comes noun. What is noun? The noun word comes from a Latin word nomen, which means name. And its definition is noun is the name of a person, place, thing, action, quality is called noun. Let us understand it by its examples. Examples of noun are name of a person like John, Aslam, Ali, Catherine. These all comes in the name of a persons. Name of places like Islamabad, Mumbai, and USA, UK, Canada. These all comes in the name of places. And name of things like pen, door, carpet, etc. Name of actions like theft, walking, movement, and other examples are there. Name of qualities like bravery, wisdom, cleverness, etc. And the second one is pronoun. What is pronoun? The word pronoun comes from a Latin word pronomen, which means word substituting for a noun. Definition is pronoun is used in the place of noun to avoid the repetition of a noun. Its examples are like I, he, she, it, they, we, and you. Catherine is a brave girl and she helps needy people. Now here the Catherine is what? Catherine is a noun and she helps, she is pronoun. So whenever we make any paragraph or we write any paragraph, if we talk about any person or anything, so first, like Catherine, Catherine is what kind of noun? No, I can't say this that Catherine is a brave girl and Catherine helps needy people. It looks awkward. So after noun, try to replace that noun into pronoun. Like Catherine is a brave girl and she helps needy people. So she is what? She is pronoun and Catherine is a noun. And the third one is adjective. The adjective word comes from a Latin word adjectivus, which means to add to. As it's mentioned by its name, that adjective means to add something. And its definition as adjective is a word which tells us the quality, the quantity, the color, the kind, the number of a person or a thing. Its examples are she is a brave girl. Now here brave is what? Brave is her quality. There is some water in the bottle. We are talking about quantity. He has 6 brothers. Now here numbers are there. Means 6. 6 is what? 6 is adjective. And that's a white car. We are talking about color. Means white. And this is a Russian gun. This is an American gun. This is a Pakistani gun. So we are talking about kind. And the fourth one is verb. What is verb? The verb word comes from a Latin word Its definition as the verb word shows an action, state, condition, position, absence or presence of a person or a thing is called verb. Its examples are she is playing football. Now here action is there. Playing is what? One action is there. She is writing a letter. Islamabad is world's second beautiful capital. We are talking about state. This is his car. We are talking about possession. John is in the glass. We are talking about presence. Like there is water in the glass. We are talking about presence. Means water is present there. John is present in the glass. And John is not in the glass. We are talking about absence. There is no water in the bottle. So we are talking about absence of water and absence of John. And the fifth one is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Its examples are he works fast. Now here work is verb and fast is an adverb. And the second example, like he works very fast. Now here work very fast, what does it mean? Here work is verb, very is adverb, and fast is also an adverb. And the sixth one, what is preposition? Its definition as preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another thing or person. Means it always shows its relation with noun or pronoun or another thing. Examples of preposition are the cat is under the table. Now here under is preposition and table is noun. Second is like she is interested in football. Now here in is preposition and football is noun. And the seventh one is what is conjunction? Its definition is conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences together. Means whenever we join two sentences or two words together, that comes in the category of conjunction. Let us understand it by its example. Examples of conjunction are Ali and Aslam are taking tea. Now here Ali and Aslam, we have joined two words, Ali and Aslam, and the middle there is and. So and is what? And is conjunction. Real Madrid lost the match because Ronaldo was not there. Now here because is what? Because is one conjunction which joins two sentences. Means Real Madrid lost the match because Ronaldo was not there. So we have joined two sentences. And the last one, that is interjection. What is interjection? Its definition is interjection is a word which is used to express strong feelings of sorrow, happiness, and surprise. Examples of interjection are hurrah, we have won the match. Means we are talking about happiness. Hurrah, he has come to our home. So we are talking about happiness. Alas, he has failed. We are talking about sorrow. It means we express sorrow. Alas, her mother died in an accident. And the third one, like bravo, excellent, or well done, which means we appreciate something or someone. And the fourth example, like what a beautiful car that was. It means we are talking about wonder or surprise. Means we are surprised whenever we see anything. We get surprised that what a beautiful car that is, what a beautiful house that is. And the fifth one, like what a silly girl you are, means we are talking about hatred or anger, that she is a very silly girl. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and you have gotten this lesson. Do subscribe channel for more videos about English grammar, literature, linguistics, and other interesting subjects. See you in the next video. The next video will be about kinds of noun and genders of kinds of gender and the cases of noun. So do subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.